Hey guys, welcome. It's episode 7 and we're at Hotel Phillips. So here in Kansas City, everyone talks about this hotel. Rachel, what makes Hotel Phillips so special?
So this hotel was actually built in 1931. So it's one of the older historic buildings in downtown. Before the hotel was built, there was another hotel called the Glennon Hotel. What was special about that is Harry S. Truman actually had a little clothing shop out of it. So that in itself kind of makes this a great landmark. Hotel Phillips is by far one of my favorite local brands because they went in and did a massive renovation back in 2016. So they kept the integrity of historic pieces and they made this feel kind of like I'm in the 40s a little bit in this hotel.
What a lot of people forget, a brand isn't just the logo or it isn't just your colors. But like you said, it's also the customer touch points.
If you think about all the different touch points that they would come in contact with a guest, that they have to make sure are on brand. And the time you walk in through the door, like what your experience is there, when you go into the rooms and when you go into these main areas, that look and feel and like the actual emotion that's conveyed, they had to keep that consistent. And they have done such a phenomenal job with that. The rebranding is beautiful from a design standpoint, but also how it matches the environment and the experience within. So they picked gold and they picked this font that is, it makes it feel like very high class, but it also makes it feel historical at the same time. With that matching, with the interactions with the people in the hotel, with all that matching, that makes up a really great, strong brand. And Hotel Phillips has just truly nailed it on the head. So thank you for watching. I absolutely love this hotel. Definitely check it out if you're in Kansas City, or hey, if you're traveling and looking for a great place to stay, you should definitely check this place out. You want to send in, hey, your logo, your brand, you want us to evaluate it, definitely do so. We'd love to check that out. The email is hey@j29creative.com. Thanks, see you next week.